Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are presenting non-conventional welding process about friction stir welding. We have a summary, introduction, method, discussion, conclusion, recommendation. My name is Muhammad Shauki bin Abdul Rahman and my friend is Muhammad Amshah bin Abdul Rashid and Shazlan bin Bahri. We represent group 3. We present a presentation on a product under the subject of non-conventional welding process. Next, we are going to talk about summary. Number 1 is the friction welding in different variants is the solid state welding process which is economical and energy efficient for joining of similar and dissimilar structures. FSW is one of the friction welding process which can be used for minor repair of assembly parts, civil engineering structures and implant scaffoldings. The purpose of this report is to produce a product using a process that has been said that is friction welding, which is welding that only use friction to join between two metals. Next, we are going to talk about introduction. Friction welding is a solid state joining process that produces condenser in materials using the heat developed between surface through a combination of mechanically induced rubbing motion and applied load. Under normal conditions, the fairing surface do not melt. Filler metal, flux, and shielding gas are not required with this process. The idea of using heat gained by friction in welding and material formation is nothing new. Friction welding obtained by frictional heat is a commercial process which has found several applications in different parts world with technology advance. We're going to talk about objective. Setting an objective is a required step in the production of a product, as the success of the production is dependent on the goal that has been established during the production of this project. The following is the goal to be reached in preparing the product utilizing the friction welding. Number 1, we have to efficiently prepare the product in the time allotted. Number 2 is the friction welding is used to prepare the product. Okay, I'm gonna pass to Shazlan bin Bahari. Thank you.
Okay, next we go for project target. That is our project goal is to gain a better understanding of the use of linear friction welding by examining the cost of using the machine, quality of product using friction welding, and where still friction welding should be used. We're gonna through for project scope, that is to creating a single product utilizing friction stir welding. Aside from that, this project is designed to suit the demand of UTEM, namely thus concerned with studying friction stir welding. This project is also just medium in size and is acceptable for usage in the workshop at UTEM, and we want to utilize it in workshops as well. We're gonna through for method. Friction welding is a solid state bonding process that produces high integrity, full contact joints. FSW is a solid state joining process that uses a non-consumable to tool to join two facing workpieces without melting the workpiece material. Heat is generated by friction between the rotating tool and the workpiece material, which leads to a softened region near the FSW tool. While the tool is transverse along the joint line, it mechanically intermixes two pieces of metal and forks the hot and softened metal by the mechanical pressure, which is applied by tool, much like joining clay and duff. Okay, this is for our Gantt chart. Gantt charts are useful for planning and scheduling projects. They help you assess how long a project should take, determine the resources needed, and plan the order in which you will complete tasks. They are also helpful for managing the dependencies between tasks. Okay, we're gonna through for joining process selection. In this project, we will use friction stir welding create a create a project for our project. This is because there are many welding process that can be used such as MIG, SMAW, SAW, and TIG, but the result does not have quality in terms of durability and pressure applied when hit by a ball or the like. Stir friction welding is used in aerospace, automotive, automobile, and shipping. The type of connection used is the butt joint. Metals that can be welded with FSW include aluminum, steel, titanium, and copper. For this slide is advantage of friction stir welding. First, the weld remains in the solid state, avoiding many of the defects associated with melting and solidification during fusion welding, such as pores and solidification cracks. The dissociation of the weld component is also reduced. Second, the process has lower peak temperatures than fusion welding, reducing intermetallic formation and allowing for a range of dissimilar materials to be joined. Third, the process does not need a filler metal, flux, and shielding gas. And lastly, the process is easily automated, make the process highly repeatable and not dependent on human influence, resulting in very low defect rates. Disadvantage of friction stir welding. First, this process is limited to angular and flat butt joints. Second, the preparation of the workpiece is more critical than making a weld. Third, the cost of the setup of the machine is very high. And lastly, can only be used for smaller parts of machines and big parts are not compatible with it. Joining method. Friction stir welding use a specially designed tool that rotates at high speed over the seam that need to be welded together. Friction stir welding is capable of welding two types of joints such as lap joints and butt joint. The tool used for friction stir welding has two parts. The pin is first drilled into the seam. Then the shoulder rotates on top of the workpiece for a certain amount of time until a optimum temperature is reached and absorbed into the materials. Then the tool moves across the seam, which creates a continuous weld. This is possible due to the volumetric heating produced by the tool and the mixing of the metal particles by the profile pin. That's all for me. I will gonna through for next slide for Muhammad Amshar bin Abdul Rashid. Thank you.
Thank you for Shazlan bin Bahari. Yeah, I will continue on this slide about bill of materials. Several references are utilized in this chapter to verify that the design created fulfill the engineering standard as well as the demand of today's user. This research must be carried out in the order to fulfill the key design feature in line with the engineering component of a design. The sort of material utilized as well as size and measurement are listed below. Like we use two material, aluminum zinc flat sheet plate and aluminum zinc flat sheet plate. On detail drawing, this is orthographic drawing and 3D drawing with dimension. Oh, and this is symbol and conical tool pin for friction steel welding. Discussion. The result of the study that has been done. As we know, the project produced by our group is a wall made of aluminum material, where we join between the two material. We use friction stir welding process because this process is more beneficial than other processes, where the advantage is that we only use thin plate to be joined. In addition, there will be no distortion when welding. Meanwhile, the time taken to complete the product is also an important factor in the selection of this process, where the product is quickly complete when a series of friction stir welding runs are carried out. The conclusion: friction stir welding provides a novel, relatively hazard-free, solid-phase joining process which produce sound longitudinal joint, especially but in a range of material of thicknesses. The friction stir welding process is already in commercial use and has been found to be a robust, parameter-tolerant technique that has much to offer in the welding aluminum alloy. Result from the research is we are using steel friction welding to prepare the product. Besides, we prepare the product to efficiently prepare the product in the time allotted. For recommendation that use of friction stir welding has now developed because of the quality produced and the time spent in preparing a product is great. The recommendation that we can get for the result of this study is we upgrade the use of the process when before the product is produced using a ball and nut process which is not very productive. Therefore, the recommendation and result of this product using friction stir welding give beneficial result, where the friction stir welding process save more time and reduce the product that is rejected because the result of this product is done by robot and controlled by human. That's all for our presentation from Group 3. Thank you so much.